Easily add up to 4 devices with the Sabrent USB 2.0 hub. Particularly great for recent notebooks that provide a limited number of USB ports. Achieve full 480 Mbps on each port, or daisy chain multiple hubs to a maximum of 127 devices. Fully backwards compatible with the USB 1.1 products. Instantly add 4 USB 2.0 ports to all compatible device. Easy setup, plug and play, hot swappable, hot pluggable. Gain 4 downstream ports which offer high speed, 480 Mbps, full speed, 12 Mbps, and low speed, 1.5 Mbps. Intelligently designed to be as thin as possible, allowing you to maximize precious workspace or travel with ease. Backwards compatible with 1.1 devices and hosts. Charging not supported.